One of the most effective ways to make a residential assisted living home feel like home is by personalizing the residents' living spaces, allowing residents to bring familiar items like furniture, photographs, artwork, favorite bedding. It can all create a sense of comfort. These personal touches help preserve cherished memories and provide a connection to their past. The overall ambiance of a facility plays a huge role in making a resident feel at home. Assisted living homes should have a warm, welcoming design that feels less institutional and more residential. Soft lighting, cozy seating areas, and tasteful decorations can help create a home-like atmosphere. Common areas should be designed to encourage social interaction, with comfortable furniture and spaces for activities like reading, games, and conversations. I mean, think about your own home. You probably have those spaces. Why wouldn't they want them? Incorporating natural elements like indoor plants, large windows for natural light, and outdoor gardens can really create a calming and inviting environment that provides and promotes relaxation. Personally, I like my own home to have a very aesthetically pleasing vibe, and I want the home to flow from room to room because in assisted living, you are allowing each senior to decorate their own space, so each room may feel very different and very unique. And this is hard for me and my personality because each one is so unique, but it's one of those things that helps them feel at home. So I zip my lips and I allow it to be as is. The main parts of the home have the same beautiful flow throughout, but each individual bedroom has its own energy and decor that the senior was allowed to put up and inspire. Of course, feeling at home is not just about the physical space. It's also about the relationships and community. Assisted living homes should provide opportunities for residents to build friendship and maintain social connections. Hosting regular group activities like a movie night or exercise class, maybe even a hobby group, can encourage more social interaction and can help residents feel connected to those around them. Maintaining open communication with the residents and their families and the staff also will help build trust and a supportive community so that the vibe of the home matches the environment of the home, all the way around, welcoming 10 out of 10. The interactions between residents and the staff are so important when creating a home-like atmosphere. Staff members who show up with genuine care and respect and attentiveness, they help residents feel valued and comfortable. Training your staff to understand the emotional needs of the residents, especially those experiencing the challenges of aging, creates a culture of empathy and compassion. Simple gestures like taking time to listen or remembering a resident's preferences, it can make a big difference in making them feel cared for and at home. Maintaining strong connections with friends and family members is another important piece for the residents' emotional well-being. Assisted living homes can support these relationships by providing spaces for family visits and hosting family-oriented events and offering technology video calls to keep loved ones in touch. Celebrating milestones like birthdays or anniversaries with family involvement will help residents feel special and connected to their support network, which is going to be huge, again, for the vibe, the environment, you get it. You know, opening an RAL has been one of the most rewarding things I've ever done in my life. If you're interested in opening your own, what are you waiting for? Keep learning with us here on YouTube and check out this video next where I break down the first steps to getting started in RAL. You know, a key aspect of making an assisted living home feel like home is supporting residents in maintaining their daily routines and sense of independence. Allowing residents to participate in decisions about their schedules, meals, and activities can help them feel in control of their lives. Encouraging residents to continue hobbies and activities that they enjoyed before moving in, like gardening, crafting, playing music, it can really help maintain their individuality and sense of purpose. Moving into an assisted living home can be an emotional adjustment. Providing emotional support through counseling, peer support groups, or simply offering a listening ear can help residents feel at ease. Staff members can play a vital role in recognizing signs of loneliness and anxiety and addressing them proactively. Creating an environment where residents feel safe expressing their feelings contributes to a sense of belonging and comfort. Making the REL home feel like home is one of the most fundamental things you can do to help a resident acclimate to their new space. Don't skimp out on this, what might seem like small thing. It's going to make the world of a difference. Make sure to hit that like button. I'll see you next time.